Hi there. So the question is best time to buy and sell stocks. Okay. So as you can see over here, you are given an array named prices, where price I is the price of the given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in future to sell that stock. Okay. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Okay, so like you have given an array this, and from this array what the maximum profit you can achieve, at what time you should buy and what time you should sell the stock, so that you can make the maximum profit. Like for example, in this price stock, what is the best time to buy a stock? At index 1, you buying 1 is the best option. And what is the best time to sell the stock? At index, what I can say, 4 is the best time to sell the stock, because 1 minus 6 is equal to 5, as you can see. Okay, so the maximum profit you can attain is 5 by doing this. Okay, so how we'll going to do it, we'll see through the code. Let's see, int hold is equal to minus price this 0. Okay, so what I am doing over here, as you can see, I am putting minus before prices as index 0. Why? Because the thing which you have bought, which you are holding, the stock, it is as at a negative, it is negative. Why it is negative? Because you have bought it, you didn't make any money from it, that's why initially it is negative. Okay, after that, int free means you didn't bought the stock, you didn't bought the stock at index 0 or any no, at index 0. Okay, so free means you didn't bought the stock. Let's write a for loop int I. We start from index 1 because we have already what I can say, used index 0 value, as you can see. After that, I is less than prices dot size. Okay, and I increment, then free is equal to max free hold minus prices dot I, then hold max hold prices then return free. Okay, so what we are doing over here, as you can see, inside the for loop will iterate till the last index of the prices array. So what we are doing over here, free is equal to max means max value between free where we didn't bought any stock, and hold minus prices, where it means what's the stock price when we didn't bought the stock. Okay, like from index 1 we have started. Free is 0, hold is what? Hold is minus 7. Okay, and price is what? At I index at minus 1. So 1 minus 7 would be what? 1 minus 7 would be 6, minus 6. Okay, so what would be the greater value, 0 or minus 6? 0 is the greater value, so we'll take free is equal to 0, max. Okay, then we'll go over here, hold. Inside the hold, max value will be, hold is minus 7 and prices are minus 1. So we'll take what? Minus 7 minus 1, minus 1 will take, so hold value will become what? Minus 1. Okay, and then again it will iterate. I will be 2. At that time, what we like, hold will become minus 1 and prices at index 2 will be prices at index uh, wait a second, oh sorry, no, there shouldn't be minus, it should be plus. Okay, it should be plus, so there is a mistake I have done. Let me explain once again. So at index 1, hold is -1, -7, and prices is 1. 1 plus -7 is -6. Okay, so we'll take the max value free is 0, so free becomes 0. Hold will become -1 because we are index 1, and at index 1 value is 1, and hold mean we have we are boughting the asset. Okay, we are boughting, so it will be we have bought at a negative rate. Okay, so -1, hold will be -1. After that it will iterate, I will become 2, so in that hold plus prices are what, 5. Okay, at index 2 prices are 5 and hold is minus 1. Okay, so at -1 plus 5, what it will be, -1 plus 5, it will be 4. Okay, so and free is already 0, so we'll take 4 max value, so free will be 4, and hold, as you can see, hold is already -1. Prices is what, at index 1 prices -5, so -1 is greater than -5, so it still be hold be -1. Then again, if then again I will become incremented by 1, I will become 3, index 3. So and index 3, you can see 3. Okay, okay, 3 minus 4 minus 3 would be what, like, yeah, so we have done over yeah, 3 minus 4, it will be what, guys? So it will be 1. So yeah, sorry, wait a second, am I doing something wrong? No, everything fine. So yeah, prices are, as you can see, price is 3 plus hold is 4, it will become what, 7. Free is what, free is 4. So what will be the max value we'll get? We'll get max value as, wait a second, am I doing something wrong? Hold is -1. Yeah. I assume hold as 4. Sorry, hold is -1. -1 plus it's become quite confusing because repeatedly I'm saying, that's why it got confused. 1 minus 3, it will be 2, so 4 is still greater, so free still be with the 4, and hold still be with the minus, because -3 is less than -1, so hold still is -1. After that, at index 4, I is 6, hold is -1. -1 plus 6 is equal to 5. 5 is greater than 4, free value will be 5, so as you can see, we get the answer 5. Okay, that's how we are getting 1 minus 6, we are getting the answer 5. After that, at 4 index we can also iterate, but the max value still be with the 5. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. We have used DP approach. It's not that, I mean, complicated, as you can see, but yeah, it was good. So yeah, let me submit once. Okay, it beat 100%, beat 86.09%. okay, so the code is great. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.